abandon,
To stop doing something before you have finished it.
Abandon.
To quit doing an action before you have completed it. We abandoned the game due to bad weather.
हमने खराब मौसम की वजह से खेल अधूरा छोड़ दिया.
To leave a spot, thing, or individual, typically forever. Fearing further attacks of corona, we had abandoned the city.
कोरोना के मजीद हमलों की खौफ से हमने शहर छोड़ दिया था.
We had to abandon the car and walk the rest of the way.
हमें गाड़ी छोड़कर बाकी रास्ते पर पैदल चलना पड़ा.
He abandoned his hopes of getting a job.
उसने नौकरी मिलने की आस छोड़ दी.
To leave behind or flee from a person or thing, or to quit in any trace of something. Air attacks forced the villagers to abandon their homes.
हवाई हमलों से देहातियों को अपना घर-बार छोड़ना पड़ा.
In a totally uncontrolled manner. They danced with wild abandon.
उन्होंने बेकाबू डांस कर ली.
abandoned,
Left in a specific spot or condition, generally until the end of time. She adopted an abandoned baby.
उसने एक लावारिस बच्चे को गोद लिया.
Abandoned or stolen bikes are usually being sold at police auctions.
पुलिस की नीलामी में आमतौर पर तर्क या चोरी शुदा बाइक फरोख्त की जाती हैं.
Subscribe please. It is all for you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.